Hello students, in this video I am going to explain about the displacement reaction. Okay, let's start children. How we are representing the displacement reaction. Generally, the displacement reactions are represented as A plus BC gives rise to AC plus B. Okay, here A must be more reactive than B only. Okay, so that is the condition children. So we can write a displacement reaction. The reaction in which a more reactive element displaces a less reactive element. From its salt solution. From its salt solution, children. Is it clear? It's called displacement reaction. Displacement reaction. Okay, for example, you take a iron. Okay, react with copper sulfate solution, children. CuSO4 solution, aqueous. CuSO4 should be aqueous. Okay, so this is a blue color solution. Copper sulfate is a blue color solution. So once you add iron powder to it, iron filings to it, so iron will displace the copper. It will form FeSO4, aqueous plus Cu. So iron sulfate will be the green color solution. Okay. So the reactions in which a more reactive element displaces a less reactive element from its salt solution is called as displacement reaction. That you should write on the definition and example. So how will you get to know that which one is more reactive, which one is less reactive? Through a reactivity series only, children. Okay. There is a reactivity series in which elements are arranged in decreasing order of their reactivity. Okay, reactivity series we talk about. Reactivity series. In this, potassium is most reactive, then sodium, then calcium, then magnesium, then aluminium, then zinc, here iron, lead, then hydrogen, copper, mercury, Hg, okay, then silver, gold, and platinum. So if you see here, this is most reactive. If you move from here to towards platinum, the reactivity decreases. Reactivity decreases. You can clearly see, okay, the element which is up in the reactivity series can displace the element salts of the element which is low in the reactivity series. Here you can see iron here. And where is copper here? So iron is more reactive than copper, so it can displace the copper from its solution. So this is the single displacement reaction, children. Another type of displacement is there. Okay, let's take one more example. Okay, what will happen when zinc react with iron sulfate? Okay, it should be iron sulfate should be aqueous only. Okay, where is zinc? Here is zinc. This is iron, right now. So zinc is more reactive than iron. Will the displacement take place? Yes, it will take place. It will form zinc sulfate aqueous plus iron. Okay, so here you can see iron sulfate is a which color? Green color solution. It will change from green to zinc sulfate colorless solution, children. Zinc sulfate is a colorless solution. I hope you understood this concept. Let's talk about the double displacement reaction. Okay. Double displacement reaction. We can represent double displacement reaction as AB plus CD gives rise to AD plus BC. There are two substances combined to form two new substances, children. Okay, that is double displacement reaction. You can explain the type of reaction in which the mutual exchange of ions takes place. Definition, please note it down, children. The reaction in which the mutual exchange of ions takes place. Mutual exchange of ions take place. It's called double displacement reaction. Okay. Generally, children, double displacement reaction are of two types. Okay. There are of two types. First one is neutralization reaction. Next is what? Precipitation reaction. It is two types. Two types are there. What I told you. First one is what? Neutralization reaction. Neutralization reaction. Okay, neutralization reaction. The reactions in which an acid react with a base to form salt plus water. Okay, so we can represent acid plus base gives you salt plus water. So this is what a neutralization reaction. You can see, you can take an example, hydrochloric acid, HCl. Whenever it reacts with NaOH, which is a base, what will happen? Okay, H will come here and Na will come here. Yes or no? So it will form H. Then salt is what? NaCl actually. So first we write salt, NaCl. Okay, Na plus Cl, NaCl plus H and OH will form H2O. So NaCl is a salt, children, and H2O is water. So this is a also double displacement reaction. Okay, next is what? A precipitation reaction. Second type of double displacement reaction is what? A precipitation reaction. What is a precipitation reaction? It is a type of double displacement reaction in which a solid precipitate is formed. Okay, try to understand precipitation reaction. Let's take a barium chloride solution, children. BaCl2 aqueous. It is a colorless solution. Whenever it reacts with the sodium sulfate, Na2SO4, that is also aqueous only. Okay, what will happen? It will form barium sulfate white precipitate. Ba will replace the sodium ion. So BaSO4 white color precipitate is formed. White PPT precipitate plus twice of NaCl aqueous is formed. Okay, so this is a barium sulfate. Barium sulfate. I hope you understood this displacement reaction, children. In the next video, we'll discuss about the redox reaction. If you have understood, please share with your friends and subscribe the channel. Thank you.